The respondents are the state government. Anyway, WPC 165 of 2019. Writ petition stands dismissed and disposed.
Daily list for admission, item 1.
My Lord, in this matter, Miss Mary, she told me yesterday that she had some personal difficulty, and the matter may be fixed on 1st of July, next Tuesday, my Lord.
Yes, Mr.
My Lord, affidavit also submitted by us, my Lord, in connection with a cover matter, my Lord, where the coordinated bench of this honorable court had passed judgment in order to
Okay,
show that-
you're saying this is a covered matter.
Yes, my Lord. We have filed affidavit, my Lord, to show that this
Okay,
is. Yes.
Okay. Mr. Jonathan,
H. Zaudin Sang, my Lord.
okay, yes, Mr. H. Zoudin Sanga. But in the last court date, it was Mr. Jonathan who had
Yes,
appeared.
yes.
Okay, Mr. H. Zoudin Sanga, learned counsel for the petitioner is present and submits that he has filed an additional affidavit to highlight the fact that the instant case is a covered matter by enclosing the judgments of the coordinate bench of this court. None appeared for the state respondents. In view of the above, list after list as and in view of
Fixed.
the above as prayed for, list on 1st July
Yes, as a fixed item. my Lord.
2020. Yes.
Item 2.
Your Lordship, in this matter, I have filed my reply affidavit this morning. I have served copies to the parties as well, my Lord.
The date's fixed for what?
Today is fixed for,
Okay, final chance
Yes,
to
final
respondent
chance.
number 5
we have filed this morning, my Lord.
to file their counter affidavit.
Yes, reply affidavit to the additional affidavit filed by the
okay,
petitioner.
Yes. Okay, then we'll fix some other date. It's not available in
My
record.
lord, since they have filed this affidavit, my lord, it appears that the pleadings are complete, my lord. So on the next date, my lord,
Okay,
if this,
who are the other councils?
the other council is,
1 to 4.
NIT's counsel is Mr.
Counsel-
Sizoram Chana.
is not present today, my
We
They
lord.
have
have
served
filed
the
their
copy.
counter?
They have filed everything, my lord.
Okay. Even to the additional affidavit filed?
They,
Is
they
it
have,
required?
they have mentioned, my lord, that they were not going to file a reply to that,
Okay.
if I'm not mistaken, my
Wait,
lord.
let me just see.
It may come up again at the admission stage, my Lord.
Let it come up, my lord, next week.
For admission hearing, then we'll see.
Next week,
What's the matter about?
My lord, this matter, my lord, is only with, there are two things, my lord. The first is the age of the respondent number 5. The question is whether he is overaged
Okay, for some appointment.
for,
in some
for
department.
appointment.
Okay.
And the
Which
admitted fact,
department? Which department?
my lord, this is in the NIT Mizoram, respondent numbers 1 to 2. And my lord, the issue is so simple. They have admitted that he is born in 1986. And we have, that is basically our claim, that he was born in 1986. And at the date of the appointment, his age has to be below 30 in the case of a general candidate and 35 in the case of an ST candidate.
So he is what? ST
He
or
was,
general?
he was already 36 on the date of the appointment. So that is the basic ground. And the second ground is, my lord, whether his degree is a valid degree.
So it's not a dispute concerning matter of facts or anything. No evidence is required.
The facts are very
It's
simple.
all here
Only,
on
only
record.
the issue is only law, my lord. It's a we have two judgments.
Okay, we'll have a look then.
my Lord, it may be taken up after vacation because next week I may not be available. I'm so
Okay,
sorry
we'll
to say
We'll
that.
list it for admission hearing.
Yes, again.
Because, my lord, the reason I'm saying this, my lord, is because 2023, my lord, he was appointed, overaged. Now it's 2025.
So he's still employed.
He's still employed. 2 years, my lord.
So how are you affected?
Because, my lord, I was the waiting list number 1.
Okay.
There was an interim protection already given to
There
you,
was
my
no
lord.
interim protection. my
Interim
lord.
protection in the sense that your lordship, subject to the outcome of the writ petition, my appointment it would be subject to the
Okay.
outcome.
But, my lord, 2 years illegal
So,
appointment.
so when
what's
was
the
the
point
writ
of-
petition filed?
20, my lord, July.
23.
Yes, 23 July. So we have come.
And when was the appointment made?
The appointment was made in the month of March or April, my lord.
23.
Yes.
So it's been pending for
Yes,
some time.
my lord. Anyway, it's a matter of 1 week only. It may come up after vacation. This is my humble
We'll have a
request.
fixed date. Let's
My lord,
fix date.
yes.
Mr. Joseph L. Rentley, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Mr. Bilal Ramena, learned counsel for respondent number 5.
Yes.
The learned counsel for respondent number 5 submits that he has filed the counter affidavit to the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner. First of all, both the counsels submit that pleadings are complete. In view of the above, list the matter for admission hearing on,
15th, my lord, July.
okay,
My lord,
15.
17?
My lord,
What's
17 is
What happened? What's wrong with,
15th.
you're going to go outstation or what?
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
I'm
make it
thinking-
17th, 2 days. List the matter on 17th, 7, 20.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Much obliged.
Item 3.
May it please your lordship, if the state respondents may be allowed to file their affidavit to the recast petition, your lordship. Because we have sought instructions and we would like to file a affidavit, your lordship, in this regard.
Counter affidavit.
Yes, your lordship. Even though it is already filed, your lordship, there are certain discrepancies in the submissions that has been made
Okay,
to the
recast
recast.
petition, etc. So you have filed your recast petition?
Yes,
writ
my lord. We
petition.
have already filed it.
So you want to file a counter to the recast writ
Yes, your
petition? Okay, Mr. Bilal Ramega, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Ms. Lal Nuntloi, learned government advocate for respondents number
1 to 4.
1 to 4 and Ms. Lal Ropari.
Valentina
Valentina,
Yes.
yes.
5 and
learned
6, my lord.
counsel for respondents number 5 and 6. Have you filed a counter,
We
Valentina?
will not be filing a counter for the recast claim, my lord.
Okay. The learned government advocate has prayed for time to file the counter affidavit to the recast writ petition filed by the petitioner. In view of the above, list the matter after
The vacations, your lordship.
the vacations. Yes.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Item 4.
Your Lordship, I had filed an additional affidavit as per the direction of the last court date.
Meeting of the
Yes,
departmental screening, because you had mentioned that in your writ petition, but it was not available for
Yes, yes.
perusal, isn't it?
yes.
Yes, government advocate. Who's appearing in this matter? Miss Caroline, you have received the additional affidavit? Oh, so it's just this thing, meeting minute. So what do we do? Can we have the admission hearing today?
It's up to your lordship. However,
Yes.
I have sent the additional affidavit to the department and I have not yet received any instruction.
What additional affidavit is just a document, because in his writ petition, he had mentioned that in view of the departmental screening committee, steps were taken and he was appointed. Then when we perused the writ petition, we found that the minutes of the departmental screening committee was not available. So we said that he should enclose the minutes also. Rest is the same. Isn't it? His appointment, how he was appointed, there was one meeting, then in the meeting held on 5th, there was one meeting, in the meeting held, it was held that it had referred to the minutes of one of the meetings. So that also should be enclosed. I think that was what we had mentioned. But the contents is more or less the same. The only thing is that that should have also been enclosed. Have you received a copy? Otherwise, the whole this thing is the same. There was a meeting held on 25/07/2024. Then in the meeting held on 25/07/2024, they had referred to into a decision held on 05/03/2024 to appoint the instant writ petitioner, isn't it? So we said that should also be enclosed. So yes, enclose that. What? Because in the last court date, I think you came prepared.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, okay, yes. What was your case, please?
Yes, my lord. In this case, the petitioner is engaged as a security officer at the one-stop center at Khozol under Mission Shakti Women and Child Development Department on the contractual basis. Then the employment is coterminous with the scheme. And the same was the the petitioner was engaged as per the meeting minute of the departmental screening committee.
Where is it?
Yes, the departmental screening committee was formed by notification 6/10/2022. The
where's that?
notification is at page number 14 of my petition, Annexure 1. Then here in page number 17 in page number 16 in the second para. In addition, as per decision made in the previous meeting of Departmental Screening Committee on 5/3/2024, wherein it was decided that the department may identify suitable persons from local residents for the post of multipurpose worker and security guard under one-stop center. Hence, the following person identified by the department is hereby recommended for engagement to the post of MPW and security guard.
So
Then,
previous meeting was 05/03, so he additional,
Yes.
he have filed the
yes,
minutes of the previous, how was he identified? Where's he, who is he? Serial number?
6 in page number 17 is the petitioner Emmanuel Lalruat Liana, sons of H. C. Lalkuma, Khozol Vienthar. Page number 6. Then page
Okay,
17.
Emmanuel. So now this person in the previous meeting, where was he, how was he identified?
How was he identified is not disclosed in the.
Okay, where is his name in the previous meeting? Was he actually identified? Let's see. In the additional affidavit that you filed, is his name there?
Not yet named in the previous meeting. The
Then,
previous meeting, which was held on 5/3,
oh,
had
that's what, no.
simply allowed the respondent
The,
number 5
Where it was decided that the department may identify suitable persons.
yes.
Okay, where's that?
In the meeting
Minutes.
minute, in the
My lord,
On March 3rd,
if I may
huh?
be allowed to interrupt,
yes.
just 1 minute. Today, I have received letter from the legal aid council for the respondent number 6 in this case, my lord.
Respondent number 6 was not represented?
Yes, it
Let's
was not.
see, let me just see, huh? So we had proceeded, notice was served, but he
Yes.
did not appear, so we had proceeded. Okay, then we'll have to wait. Respondent number 6 is the person who
Private
was
respondent.
appointed.
Private respondent, yes, my lord. And for the interest of justice, my lord.
Yes,
if I may
yes,
be
service
allowed
in
to
respect of respondent number 6 is complete. When the matter was called, no one represented respondent number 6.
Yes, my lord.
Then again, no one represented, so we had proceeded because service was deemed to be complete. Okay, so then we'll have to fix another date. He'll have to say something, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. Lalpian Philatongshu. learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
Ace
Zodin,
daw din Sanga,
S.H. Zodin Sanga, learned
legal aid counsel.
legal aid counsel, who submits that he has been appointed to represent the private respondent number 6 and has also furnished the order appointing him to represent the respondent number 6, which is dated 24th June 2025. The said order may be made a part of the file. Full stop. The Learned Legal Aid Council has prayed for time to see whether he is to file his counter affidavit. In view of the above,
My lord, a copy of the,
in view of the above, list the matter after the ensuing vacation. Meanwhile, the requisite copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the Learned Council, to the Learned Legal Aid Council. The presence of Mrs. Caroline K. Lalmoy, Learned Government Advocate, as noted. Yes. After the
Much obliged.
vacation.
Yes, yeah. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 5.
Yes.
Lordship, in item 5, may the matter may heard
Just.
after some time.
Why?
May the matter may heard after some time, Lordship. My
You're
senior is
appearing for? You are
my
the
senior is
counsel for
in
the,
next, Lordship.
you are the counsel for the petitioner or the respondents?
Respondent, Lordship.
Okay, which respondent?
Respondent 5, Lordship.
Respondent number 5.
my lord, he is not respondent number 5, he is not representing respondent number 5. It
There's-
is represented by Mr. Gupta, my lord. 4 and 5 in this case.
Who is the counsel for the petitioner?
I'm the counsel for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. H. Gupta is the counsel for respondent number 4 and 5.
Yes, my lord.
And
Yes, Lordship.
so you're appearing on behalf of Mr. H. Gupta, is it?
Yes, Lordship. My senior is in next, Lordship.
Okay. Now, what you have to do is basically you have to file your
Join the
show cause reply to the
contempt petition.
contempt petition which has been filed. So have you filed? Not yet. Yes, Mr. Gupta, you were supposed to file your show cause reply.
Time, my lord. Yes, my lord. Immediately on the after reopening, my lord. In between that, we will file it now.
Okay, well, what about 1, 2, and 3?
1 to 3 from the registry record, I think, my lord, it has been completed. Notice has been
Who are 1, 2, and 3?
completed. One is the secretary.
Railways.
Yes.
Ms. Zaram Sangpo is CGC should inquire. Yes, find out whether you're going to represent these people.
My senior is on like.
Okay. Inquire because usually railways is represented
Yes, ma'am.
in the writ petitions. So in the contempt also, find out whether you are required to represent them or someone else is going to be
Yes,
engaged.
my lord.
Okay, Mr. H. Zodin Sangha, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present, while Mr. H. Gupta, Learned Counsel for respondent number 4 and 5 appears through VC and has prayed for time to file his show cause reply. Full stop. It is seen from the consignment tracking report that notice was duly delivered to respondents number 1 to 3. However, none appeared for respondents number 1 to 3. Full stop. It is also seen that respondents number 1 to 3 are the officials of the NH
NF Railway. Yes.
Railways, isn't
Railways,
it?
yes, yes.
NF Railways and Ms. Baby so-and-so, Learned Counsel, may inquire whether they would be representing the respondents number 1 to 3. Since they had represented the said respondents in the connected writ petition. Yes. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Yes, my lord. Much obliged.
Obliged.
Item 6.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1. May I seek another 3 weeks' time for filing affidavit in opposition?
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 4 to 8. I have not yet received the paragraph is coming.
Okay, 7, Miss? Yes. Item number 6, is it? Yes, Miss?
Miss Rosie Manlomsangi, my lord.
Okay, yes, Miss Rosie Manlomsangi, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Miss you're appearing on behalf of Zairang Sakpur, along with Miss Baby so-and-so, appearing on behalf of Miss Zairang Sakpur, learned CGC for the Union of India, and then comma, okay, then so-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents number 1 to 8.
No, my lord, 4 to 8.
Okay, 4 to 8, and Samuel Vanlacheda Changte. You're appearing for standing counsel?
Yes, ma'am.
Standing counsel for respondents number
2 and 3, ma'am.
2 and 3. The learned counsels for the respondents have prayed for further time to file their counter affidavit. Then what about 9?
Yes, my lord, as per the last court order, we have taken necessary steps with respect to respondent
We
number
may
9.
await for the return of AD card from respondent number 9. Okay, in view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
My lord, my name can be reflected in the post respondent.
Okay, list after 3 weeks. It is also seen that the name of Mr. Samuel L. Sangte, standing counsel for respondent number so-and-so, have not been reflected in the first list. Registry to do the needful.
Like,
Oblige.
Item number 7.
My lord, I'm here on behalf of Mrs. Mary L. Kiangte, and she's in this post today. My lord, if this matter may be taken up after 3 weeks.
Yes, now you had prayed for time to obtain instructions from your client
My lord,
concerning what?
concerning some assessment regarding the spot, my lord, the verification that has been done. So as of now, I have not received any new developments, so I'm awaiting instructions, my lord.
Okay, Ms. Valentina Laldinpui, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present and submits that she needs time to obtain instructions from her client. Full stop. Mention is also made on behalf of Ms. Mary L. Kiangte, learned counsel for respondents number
10 to 12, 14 and 15.
10 to 12 and
14 and 15.
and 15. For praying for time to file their show cause reply. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Oblige.
Oblige.
For orders, item 8.
Your Lordship, although this is a fixed items, but my senior Mr. Laram Sangaknaga is having some health issues. So may the
Health
matter be
issues?
listed. Yes, that's how I heard.
What is the IA condemnation?
My lord,
Yes, Your
221
How many
days. 221,
Oh, almost 1 year.
my lord.
Anyways, they're the ones who should be pressing the matter. So mention is made on behalf of Mr. Lal Remsanga Ngaka, learned counsel for the applicant/appellant for adjournment of the matter since the learned counsel is not able to appear due to some health issues. Full stop. Mr. Tila Zakima, learned counsel for the opposite party, is present and has raised no objection In view of the above, list
After ensuing vacation.
after the ensuing
possible.
vacation. Yes.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
Item 9.
May it please your lordship? This RFA is being handled by Miss Vani. However, she's on legs in the other courtroom. So if this matter may be taken up after some time, your lordship.
Anyone appearing for the opposite party?
Mr. Johnny L. Tothong, your
Yes,
lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing for all the respondents, respondent number 1 to 4.
Have you filed your affidavit in opposition?
Yes, Lordship, we have filed a affidavit in opposition.
Okay, Ms. Lalon Lui, Learned Government Advocate, is present and has prayed for adjournment by mentioning that the matter is handled by
Miss Vani Isyami.
Ms. Vani Siami. Where is she?
Your lordship, she's on legs in the other courtroom.
Who is on legs in the other court. Can we make it a time being matter or you want adjournment? What about you? Mr. Johnny is not here?
Lordship, if it may be held up for a time being, it's...
He's also on legs in the other court.
Lordship, Mr. Johnny is absent today.
Okay. On legs in the other court, it is also mentioned that Mr. Johnny L. Tocho, Learned Counsel for the respondents, is not able to appear today due to some personal difficulty. In view of the above, list the matter after the vacations.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Obliged.
Item 10.
My lord, notice has been issued to the respondent as per the court order dated 30/5/2025.
So anyone, you're appearing
Yes, my
for
lord.
respondent's number?
All the respondents, my lord, we have submitted our backup.
Okay. Yes, Mr.
Samuel Lompuya.
Samuel Lalompuya, is the name
Uh,
in the cause list?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Learned counsel for the
And my
appellant
lord,
is present.
in the meantime, let the LCR be called.
Learned counsel for the appellant is present along with Mr.
Loma Maralte,
Loki Maralte,
Loma-
learned counsel, Loma Maralte, learned counsel who submits that they will be representing all the respondents.
meanwhile, my lord, if we may submit a written objection against the IA.
IA is not disposed?
No, my lord.
Let me see the IA, wait. IA is for what?
For production of
Addition-
additional affidavit, additional
Okay.
evidence.
So in the IA, okay, who submits that, he'll be representing all the respondents. The learned counsel for the respondents have also prayed for time to file their written objection. Yeah, written objection in view of the above, list after 3 weeks. Okay, now in the RFA, same order, so and so. Only thing is TCR required to be called in the appeal?
Yes,
Is it
my lord.
required?
Yes, my lord.
Or is it all here in your appeal? Okay, so and so and so, list the matter along with the connected IA.
Obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
No hearing matter today? Nothing is fixed? Okay.